We're not a nonprofit organization. We're here to make money. So we certainly don't want to leave anything on the table, and to be able to have that technology and have the scan right there helps us to make sure that we're maximizing a claim. My name is Andy Mason. I'm the co-owner and CEO of Level Creek Property Restoration. My partner and I started working together about 10 years ago. We started a roofing company back in the economic downturn. And so we actually started the company on my kitchen table. We went to Kinko's and made copies and started knocking on doors to do roof replacements for hail repair. I mean, we've morphed completely from where we started. We have 23 employees, 2 buildings, a number of vehicles, and we continue to do a good job. One scan from Matterport can take care of the data and the details that are needed for my content department, my mitigation department, and my recon department. We could have an adjuster sitting at his home office. I can be in my office, and we can walk through somebody's living room and show them the damage and show them why this needs to be done. And they think it's amazing. But we can give it to that customer as well. You're always going to have an issue. You're always going to have a dinged refrigerator, or somebody's priceless, vase got broken, and it's so easy to go back and say, well, ma'am, here we are in your kitchen. Here's the ding the day that we got there. We didn't do it. Or, yeah, we did do this. And what's even neat is they can see their house, how it looked when it was just completely destroyed, and now look where we are, you're back in your home. So it is really neat. It has a lot of different capabilities.